This is my old printer. It used to print normally, now it doesn't. And so I needed a new printer and wanted this PIXMA G570 from Canon. And it just arrived. By the way, my name is Joseph from Davao Geek Hub, and in this video we'll be unboxing and setting up the Canon PIXMA G570. So this is the Canon PIXMA G570, which comes in a very big box. Unboxing experience is pretty straightforward. It comes with the USB and power cables, its manuals and other paperwork. We have 6 ink bottles included, 2 print heads, and of course the printer itself. Setting it up is easy. First we need to open the top, then remove the orange plastic tape. Next we need to open this up to install these 2 print heads. Opening its packaging is pretty straightforward. Just peel it and carefully pull out the print head. Remove the orange tape on top as well as the tape on the bottom, but be careful not to touch the contacts. Install the print heads on the correct slot by just sliding it in. Then close it until you hear a click. Push down the blue tabs until you hear a click as well. Now let's plug it in and turn it on. On the menu, choose your language. We can now start filling up the ink tanks. I'm going to start with the color inks by opening their tanks. Open the bottle one by one and fill the corresponding tank. You don't have to worry about filling up the wrong tank since the bottles has unique slots that can only fit its corresponding tanks. Just line it up and press it down until the tank is full. Then repeat the process for the other colors. Next we'll do the black and gray tanks. It's just the same process. Now that the tanks are full, let's go back to the menu. When asked if the tanks are full, choose yes. It will ask for a couple of sheets of A4 paper. I'm just going to use this extra photo paper laying around. Now all we have to do is wait for it to configure. When it is done configuring, it will do a couple of test prints and you're done. If you encounter any error during configuration, check the error code on the display and refer to the manual for the fix. Now let's connect the printer to the computer. You can connect it via the USB cable and wait for drivers to install. You can also connect it wirelessly by accessing this site. Once on the site, choose your printer and select Setup. Click Connecting to a computer or a smartphone and click Download. Once it's finished downloading, run the file and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also use this method to connect the printer wirelessly to your smartphone, or you can also use the app. Download and install the Canon Print app in your smartphone, open your Wi-Fi settings, check for network name that starts with Canon IJ, and connect to it. If you can't find the network name, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to add the printer. And you're done and ready to print! Nice! And there you have it. This has been my unboxing and setup guide for the Canon PIXMA G570 printer. I hope you found this video helpful. Do give this video a thumbs up if it did, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. So what unique idea should we print with this? Let me know in the comments. Once again, this is Joseph. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.